it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to convert a square sheet of paper into a hexagon. So first take your sheet of paper and fold it in half. Unfold. And then take the bottom side and align it to the horizontal center crease that you just created. So just fold it up like that. Rotate and do the same thing at the other side. So we're going to fold it straight up and then crease it in. And then unfold. And so now our sheet of paper is folded into 4 equal parts. I'm going to trace the lines out so it's easier to see on camera. Now we're going to work on this bottom right hand corner. So you're going to take this and you're going to fold it diagonally where one point is the center line. So right over here, I'm going to make a little crease here. And then we're going to take this part, this corner over here, and swivel it so that it aligns with this line over here. So once we have that, we're going to flatten it. And now let's do the same thing on the left side. So we're going to take this, align it with the center point right here, give it a crease. Take this, swivel it out to align with the first point right here, and then crease it in. Now let's rotate and do the exact same thing on this side. So you're going to take this bottom right side, align it with the center line right over here. Take this corner, swivel it to the first line, crease it in. Do the same thing here. Align it with the center, swivel, and crease it in. Now let's unfold these 4 flaps. And now let's fold the entire thing in half. So now we're going to do something really similar with this corner over here. You're just going to take this, align one side to the corner, and then take this corner and swivel it to that first line. Crease it in. Do the same thing on this side. Mark the center, swivel the corner, and crease it in. Now let's unfold and unfold. So now you notice that there is an intersection right over here, over here, over here, and over here. Now you want to grab a ruler and you want to draw a line right down those intersections. So you're going to do a vertical line and then do the exact same thing on this side. Now I'm going to grab a pink highlighter and highlight the hexagon. So we have one side here, one over here, one here, one here, and the final side here. Now let's take the entire thing, fold it in half, grab a pair of scissors and cut the pink highlighted line. Unfold, and that is how you turn a square into a perfect hexagon. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new today and would like to have more crafty fun with me, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be alerted of the next video. See you guys next time. Bye!